Is the dragon awakening? Tesla stock closed at $1,092, up 40% in the past 6 months, on news that Tesla will be asking shareholders to vote in this year's annual meeting to authorize additional Tesla stock to enable a stock split. In this video, I'll share what it means for Tesla investors and why I believe it'll be at least a 10-for-1 stock split. Welcome back to Investing with Daren. Click subscribe to stay updated to more videos on Tesla. There are a few things for us to untangle together. What Tesla shared isn't a stock split announcement itself, like what we saw on August 11, 2020, but a step towards it. Why do we need this step? Gary Black explains that Tesla is currently authorized for 2 billion Tesla shares versus the 1.1 billion currently outstanding, which means that if Tesla wants to announce a 2-for-1 stock split, it doesn't need shareholders' approval. The fact that Tesla is asking for shareholders' approval means that they intend to split beyond 2-for-1. The shareholder approval will happen in a 2022 annual meeting, which will likely run between June to September 2022, based on the historical shareholder meeting dates over the past 5 years. Once the approval has been given, the stock split can happen. When a company splits its stock, its total valuation does not increase. It's like slicing this pizza into 10 pieces. It's still the same pizza. If you had one Tesla stock worth $1,000 and Tesla decided to do a 10-for-1 stock split, you would have 10 Tesla stock worth $100 each. The total worth of your stock does not change. By the way, this pizza is very tempting. I'm hungry. I'm going to eat this right after filming. In today's poll, most of you believe that Tesla should do a 10-for-1 stock split. I agree with that. In Tesla's last 5-for-1 stock split in August 2020, the stock price for most of large cap companies were around the $1,000 range. Today, the average stock price of most large cap companies, after all of their stock splits, would be around $100. So a 10-for-1 stock split would price Tesla around its peers. The actual decision for how much the stock was split will be decided in the coming months. In the last round of stock splits, Tesla stock gained more than 50% between the stock split announcement date on August 11, 2020 to the actual stock split date on August 31st, 2020. If Tesla stock gains another 50% between today and the final stock split date later this year, that will mean that the stock was split at a closing price of $1,650. In a 20-for-1 stock split, that will be worth $83 versus $165 in a 10-for-1 stock split. And some investors like Emmett Peppers believe that a 20-for-1 is a better decision. What does this mean for most of us? For long-term Tesla investors, dollar cost averaging remains the best strategy for most. Some see this as a good buying opportunity. Others are taking margin or investment loans to buy more Tesla stock now. I'm confident in Tesla's long-term stock price, but anything can happen in the short term as we've seen in recent weeks. Inflation is still high, and a war continues to rage in Ukraine. We should invest in money that we can afford to lose and don't need in the short term. To conclude, I agree with Gary Black that a stock split is a signal on a company's underlying strengths. Tesla remains 85% of my publicly held stock portfolio, and I'll continue buying the stock in the years to come. If you found this video useful, please click the like button. Hit subscribe to stay updated to more videos on Tesla. Fun fact, these Dragon playgrounds in today's episode were designed in 1979. They are an iconic part of many Singaporeans' childhood growing up in the 80s. Today, there are only 4 of these playgrounds left.